Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve with After Effects. Integrating these two powerful applications allows for a seamless post-production workflow, combining Resolve's superior color grading and editing capabilities with After Effects' advanced motion graphics and visual effects. This synergy is particularly beneficial for projects requiring high-end finishing, such as commercials, music videos, and short films, where precise control over every visual element is crucial for a polished final product. When exporting from DaVinci Resolve for After Effects, prioritize quality and transparency. Select a high bit depth intermediate codec like ProRes 4444 or DNxHR 444, ensuring your footage retains maximum color information. If your clip requires transparency, make sure to include the alpha channel in your export settings. This preparation is vital for a smooth transition, preserving the integrity of your visual assets as they move into After Effects for further manipulation and enhancement. Once in After Effects, import your DaVinci Resolve exports by simply dragging them into your project panel. Verify that your composition settings, including frame rate and resolution, match your imported footage to avoid any discrepancies. Pay close attention to color management settings to ensure accurate representation of your graded footage. Organizing your imported assets into clearly labeled folders will streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage complex projects with multiple elements. For round-tripping, export your After Effects composition using a high-quality intermediate codec, similar to your initial export from Resolve. This preserves visual fidelity when bringing the footage back into DaVinci Resolve for final color grading or mastering. Once back in Resolve, you can apply final adjustments and then export your finished project. Choose a delivery codec appropriate for your final platform, whether it's H.264 for web or a broadcast-specific format, ensuring optimal quality for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.